So if you need to graph an inequality, you can graph it like you would an equation, like y equals, I forget what it was, negative 4x plus 1. We'll come back to the inequality part in just a second. This is the y-intercept of your graph. So it starts on 1 on the y-axis, and then the slope is negative 4. That means we count down, we start on that starting point, the y-intercept, we count down 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go to the right 1 point and put a dot. So this is our graph. We're actually going to graph it with a dotted line though, because it has to have a line underneath the inequality symbol in order to have in order to be a solid line. If it doesn't have the line underneath, then that means we need to use a dotted line. So this one's a dotted line. Let's use our dot tool here. We said it started on the y-intercept of 1, goes down 4 to the right 1, put a dot, and we'll make it dotted. And then we have to decide which side to shade, okay? It's either this side, oops, how do I undo that? Or it's either on the other side. I don't want to click it because I might mess it up. So y is less than negative 4x plus 1. Y is less than... So to test that, what you want to do is grab a test point on either side. Like I'm going to pick negative 1 comma negative 1. Or you could pick a point over here. Doesn't matter. Just pick a point that's clearly on one side and plug in the x and y coordinates. If it makes a true statement, then that is the side you need to shade because that is the side that gives the truth. Okay? Is negative 1 less than 5? It is, right? Owing $1 is less money than having $5 in your pocket. So we need to shade this side with the bucket tool.